so my answer was pretty clear no. एक महीने में पढ़ के टॉप कॉलेज कैसे निकाला, प्लीज हेल्प. But Noida is not safe at all. Delhi.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And for those who are new here, let me tell you, my name is Shweta Khan and I make videos on vlogs, lifestyle, makeup and much more. So this one is the very first Q&A on my channel because many of you wanted to ask me, where are you going? I mean, what will you be doing after class 12? Yes, I was in class 12 till yesterday and it's got cancelled. So yeah, congratulations first of all those who wanted कि boards cancel हो जाए. But personally saying, I was not at all happy. I was pissed off because I worked every night badly and it just felt like कि सब कुछ shatter हो गया एक मिनट में. So it was heart-wrenching. But anyways, let's move on to the video. Those who added me on Instagram, they know I have put a poll on the story asking you guys कि आपको क्या जानना है मेरी कॉलेज के बारे में. Like what all questions you have, just comment down below. So I've got a bunch of questions to ask from, so I'll be answering all those in this particular video. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first question is, which college are you going into? So अगर आपने मेरा last वाला vlog नहीं देखा है, it's Delhi vlog where I have been visiting my college, AFT, Amity and IIMC in Delhi and Noida. So I chose AFT, that is Asian Academy of Film and Television. So yeah, that college I'll be going into. I personally visited it and I clearly liked it. So yeah. So the next question is, will you be staying with your parents? No, I won't be staying with my parents. I'll be living alone. Like my parents live here in my city, Jhansi, and so that they will be continue living here because मेरा भाई भी है छोटा, so उसकी studies हैं, so they can't leave everything and go there, right? So yeah, I'll be staying there alone and not with my parents. Yeah, third question. How will you manage college and YouTube together? I know it's a bit hectic. Okay, so the thing is na कि YouTube is something which I personally love to do it, and there's nothing called managing between college and YouTube. It will be something which will go synchronizingly and feel like I'll enjoy both my college and YouTube journey together because making YouTube videos is something which I personally love doing it. And you guys, oh my god, आप जो comment करते हो, I personally love those. So yeah, I love to make YouTube videos while I'll be in my college, and yeah, I'll be showing everything around what I'll be doing, and probably I'll be doing YouTube on daily basis. Yeah. And yes, it's hectic because you need to do a lot of stuff, but in this world, nothing is easy. So yeah. Okay, so third question, I guess it's same. Will you continue your vlogging in Delhi too? Looking forward for amazing videos. Yeah, I will continue doing vlogging in Delhi too, and basically I'll be living in Noida, and Noida and Delhi are same, by the way. Yeah. So thank you so much. Okay, so moving ahead to another question. My parents are not allowing to study out of my city. Maybe you want to say that they're not allowing you to go out of your city. Fine. How to convince them? See, firstly it depends where do you live. Like if you live in a metropolitan city, then it's quite fine you to study there because if you're getting everything, all the essentials requirement, then it's fine to you to study there. But if you're not living in a metropolitan city and if you want to go out, then just tell your parents what are the requirements and are your future plans, and unless they know, they won't allow you because it's not easy for parents to send their kids out of their city because it's dangerous and it comes with a lot of responsibilities. So I'm sure they won't, but it now depends on you to how to convince them. And at the same time, like I feel like if there's somebody else from your family and studying out, then ask them to talk to your parents, convince them, and I'm sure they will just get convinced. Just make sure your point is worthy enough for you to send them out. Okay. Okay, this question is, oh my god, like this question has been asked by so many of my friends. Like after that news came in, everybody was calling me and asking me, Shivta, are you happy that boards are cancelled? So my answer was pretty clear, no. I was like, no, I'm not at all happy. I worked so hard. I was pissed off here. I was like, dude, stop it. So, but koi na. Yeah. So next question. Does college provides internship? See, it depends on the college which you're going to. If you will solely depend on your college for the internships, then it's pretty wrong to do it, because I feel like college are just meant for studies and knowledge, but internship depends on your own capabilities. It's like the seats are limited, but at the same time the crowd is huge. So you need to make sure that you stand out of the crowd and your seat is reserved for you. So that's how you crack internships, and college does provide internship, but at the same time you need to work hard for that. It's not like if pehle to semester maze kar liya and then at the last moment you are planning for internships, then it's difficult, right? But I feel like if you want to do internships, then just do it on your own abilities. Like you can search for some outdoor internships. There are many on LinkedIn, so yeah, you can try it out. Okay, next question. एक महीने में पढ़ के टॉप कॉलेज कैसे निकाला? Please help. Yeah, before that, let me tell you, I got this college through an entrance exam which I had given in Feb. And a behind story is that, you know what, if you have seen my like daily vlog, उसके दूसरे दिन मेरा एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम था, एंड आई वाज सो नर्वस कि मैं क्या ही करूँगी, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स एक दिन आप दिल्ली में हो, दूसरे दिन आप एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम कैसे दे सकते हो. एंड नो, आई डिडंट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. जस्ट नॉर्मल जीके मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट हो गया था ऐसे मेरा. Like it was not so tough, but I would say it was not so easy that you would take it lightly, just because I was going through the core subjects again and again. I guess the whole year I went through it, so for me it was quite easy to give, but you actually need to prepare for the entrance exam. It's not a cup of tea, by the way. So yeah. Okay, what should we concentrate on? Like we haven't received any clear notification for boards or entrance watcher. Darling, now you have received, right? I mean, अब तो आ ही गया है, अब तो रिजल्ट ही आ गया है. So you got your path cleared, and yeah, now you will be preparing for your entrance, right? Everybody will be now. Which college do you prefer? See, I preferred AFT over Amity, because you have seen I went to Amity, I went to AFT both, and I actually liked AFT. They have their own, I guess they have their own studio. They have their inbuilt radio station, and it's by Sandeep Marwa sir. They have Marwa Production House, and most importantly, it's in the Film City. So I guess opportunity will be just next to my door, and I just will have to crack it. That's all I have to do. Okay, so that's why I chose AFT over Amity, and I liked it. Like it's not a university, it's probably the academy. Okay, so yeah. College कभी offline जा पाएंगे? Okay, so this is my friend, and he has also applied for the same AFT. And we were actually discussing कि यार हम पूरे साल online ही पढ़ेंगे. I mean, we are dying to go to our colleges because everybody wants to. It's enough now. School life over. Fine. Now let's get into the college soon, because I want the experience. Okay, so everybody wants to these days. So yeah, let's go out of this place and experience. So yeah, fingers crossed, hope so. Colleges jaldi khulenge and hum jaldi jayenge. Okay. AFT or Amity? I've chosen AFT. But Amity is good for some courses. I'm not saying Amity is not good. Amity is really amazing. The building, the infrastructure, faculty I'm not sure about. Internships also I'm not sure about because I don't know if they provide a lot of internships. But I actually like the infrastructure. It's way too amazing. And if you haven't watched my daily vlog, then go and watch. I've shown everything. And AFT का तो मैंने आपको पूरा इंटीरियर दिखाया है यार, एक एक रूम दिखाया है मैंने. So go and watch that video. Okay, so this is a nice question that what will you prefer, PG or hostel or flat? So see, मेरी भाई से बात हुई थी. So he told me that he's also basically living in Delhi and he told me that you should go for flat because अगर आप compare करो तीनों से, then better food, better condition, better living condition, better partners, better society, and I guess less rent also. Yeah, if पहले तो I'll hostel तो no way, hostel मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. I'll choose PG first. जहाँ तक मेरे को है, मैंने जितना सोच रखा है, I'll choose PG first. I'll make group of friends and then I'll choose flat because आप चूज़ कर सकते हो, आपको सब कुछ मिलता है बेसिकली फ्लैट में, सारी चीज़ें, बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़, आई गेस बेड, सोफ़ा, बालकनी, फ्रिज, माइक्रोवेव, दैट इज़ एवरीथिंग यू बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड इन द फ्लैट. बट एट द सेम टाइम हॉस्टल में तो यार कुछ भी नहीं होता है. हॉस्टल में बस आपको टाइम से खाना मिल जाता है. पीजी में तो इट्स वर्स. पीजी में इट्स लाइक कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. आई मीन आप अपना रूममेट चूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम आप क्या खाना चाहते हो वो भी चूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. सो इट्स क्लियर टॉर्चर एंड I won't be able to handle it. So no PG, no hostel, I'll go for the flat. Okay, is Noida safe? No city is safe, okay? No city is safe. And talking about Noida, I know there is a hype going around that Noida is not safe at all. Delhi is known for its non-safety. मैं नोएडा गई नहीं हूँ. लाइक मैं गई हूँ नोएडा कॉलेज के लिए, मैं दिल्ली जा चुकी हूँ, मैं रह भी चुकी हूँ दिल्ली में. So I know a bit and I'm comfortable with that city. How will you manage to stay alone? It will not be a problem for me because मैं 10th के बाद अलीगढ़ गई थी, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी. सो मैं वहाँ के लिए ही रही थी एंड हैव द एक्सपीरियंस, द होल एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ द सिस्टम वर्क्स, हाउ आर योर रूममेट्स, हाउ इज़ द फूड, एवरी सिंगल थिंग. सो मेरे को आदत है एंड मैं मुंबई भी जा चुकी हूँ, मैं रह चुकी हूँ वहाँ पे, मैं भोपाल रह चुकी हूँ, या मैं काफ़ी सिटीज़ में रह चुकी हूँ. सो आई विल नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम एंड I will manage to stay alone. Like for me, it's not an issue. Okay. I'm really confused about my career. Please guide me. I've also taken humanities. Okay. So you're confused about your career, right? If you're seeing this video, then for you it's important कि आप ये मत सोचो कि मैं कौन सा कॉलेज लूँ. पहले ये सोचो कि आपको करना क्या है, आपको बनना क्या है. What interests you, whatever you are good in, and जो भी आपको extraordinary बनाती है, go for that. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट कि आपको डॉक्टर ही बनना चाहिए, बट एज यू आर सेइंग कि आपने ह्यूमैनिटीज़ ली है, देन आई कैन सजेस्ट यू सम रियली गुड ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट कैन बी मास कम्युनिकेशन, सेकेंड कैन बी फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग, आर्किटेक्चर, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग, ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म, hotel management, teaching. There are a lot many options there. Yeah, event management also, which is a great option for you to do it if you have taken humanities. How can I forget IAS, UPSC? You can clear UPSC and become an IAS, IFS, IPS, whatever you feel like. How much is the fee for your college? Okay, interesting. So I guess my fee for the college is like 5 lakhs. Yeah, and it differs from courses to courses. Okay. FOA, what is this? I love your vlogs. Thank you. S, oh my god, what is this? ये क्या है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स क्यों लिखते हो? Is Delhi expensive? First of all, thank you. If you love my vlogs, keep supporting. And secondly, is Delhi expensive? Depends on you. You can buy clothes from Sarojini Nagar. You can buy clothes from the V-Mart too. So it depends on you कि आपकी choices क्या हैं, आपकी likeness क्या है, and then accordingly you can survive. survival for the fittest, right? So yeah, this was all for this video guys. I hope you like this video, and अगर आपको Q&A पसंद आया then I guess हम आगे और भी कर सकते हैं, like yeah, if you want to know about me, my personal life and a lot more, so you can do this while you can add me on Instagram, and then we can chat out there, you know, then we can have a clear discussion. You can ask me whatever you feel like regarding college, career, whatever, like A to Z, fashion, vlogging, YouTube, whatever you want to. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I have answered all the questions, and आपको समझ आ गया होगा basically. So it was all about Delhi and Noida, ठीक है, मैं समझ गई. And I personally enjoyed answering these questions. And yeah guys, this was all. So take care, see ya, get vaccinated, and see you guys in my next video. Toot.
पॉजिटिव वे वहां से बैठने तो बड़ी से ये भी आया है
खुशबू नहीं निकल रही उसमें से. अब यही डिस्टर्बेंस है ना.
मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं
Okay, so this is all. Okay, so this was all. Nahi.
This is all for this video.
No.
This is not all for this video.
Okay, so I've tried to cover all the questions I could in this video.